Sam Henderson, CEO and Senior Financial Advisor at Henderson Maxwell. We saw this massive build-up to the GFC. We saw property prices increase, share prices increase by 50% plus, and then we saw them plummet, of course, and then confidence just dropped to the floor. And we're still recovering from that at the moment, 5 years on. And what we are seeing now is a recovery phase. We're seeing that internationally in the US, and we're certainly seeing it in Australia, although we came through the GFC reasonably well on the back of the mining boom. New Zealand's been in recovery mode for 5 years. They had a very, very difficult GFC. They had very high unemployment. It's been a recovery phase over that 5-year period, and a fairly steep one as well. They've still got their challenges. Their currency has been fairly depressed, and they're starting to see some growth and some opportunity in New Zealand for the first time in 5 years. So I think they're probably feeling a little bit more buoyant than they have been in the last few years. Well, again, with low interest rates, I think the government's expecting companies to invest in themselves, to borrow money, to grow and to hire more people. That's the idea of lowering interest rates, to stimulate the economy. So that is the very genuine intention of the RBA. We are seeing recovery over in the US, and unemployment's fallen significantly over there. And we are starting to see a lot of recovery in the EU area as well, in Europe. And we certainly haven't seen anything like that in the last 5 years. So green shoots all over the place. So I think the 2014 is really going to be a recovery story, and hopefully companies and company owners and directors start putting their hands in their pockets and start hiring more people, because the more people that are hired, the higher the wages, and the more people spend money and help the economy to grow. I'd certainly implore people to get more involved in working on the business than in the business, and there's no better time than January to start sorting this stuff out. Write down your goals, have something to aim for, and understand your finances. Money in, money out, where's it going, how are you using your resources, where can you save money, and where can you raise money, increase your income to put yourself in a better position.